Are ants constantly appearing in your kitchen, around your windows, or in different corners of your home? Before spending money on expensive pest control products, try this simple homemade ant control mixture using a few common household ingredients. It is easy to prepare, inexpensive, and can be placed in areas where ants are regularly active. So let's make it step by step. Start by taking a small, clean container. First, add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used in homemade ant control methods. When ants encounter or consume bait containing baking soda, it may interfere with their digestive system. However, results can vary depending on the type and number of ants. So think of this as a homemade control method rather than a guaranteed solution. Next, add a small amount of laundry detergent to the mixture. Detergent helps change the texture of the mixture and can also act as a cleaning-based ingredient when ants come into contact with it. Now comes an important ingredient: 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar acts as an attractant because many common household ants are naturally drawn to sweet food sources. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste. Toothpaste gives the mixture a thicker consistency and adds additional ingredients that can make the bait less appealing or potentially harmful to ants when they come into contact with or consume it. The important thing is to combine everything evenly rather than leaving separate layers of ingredients. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Dish soap helps bind the mixture together and changes its consistency, making it easier to place in small quantities inside a container. Now mix everything thoroughly until you get a reasonably uniform mixture. Take your time during this step because proper mixing helps distribute the ingredients throughout the bait. Once your mixture is ready, transfer a small amount into a few small containers. Place these containers near areas where you regularly notice ants, such as kitchen corners, near windows, along walls, around entry points, or in other dry areas where ants are active. You can also use it outdoors near ant activity, such as around suitable garden areas, but keep it away from edible plants, pets, children, and places where food or drinking water is present. For better overall ant control, also clean up food crumbs. Wipe away sugary spills, keep food sealed, and close possible entry points. This homemade mixture is a simple and budget-friendly option to try when dealing with occasional ant activity. Use it carefully, keep it out of reach of children and pets, and monitor the area to see whether ant activity decreases over time.